so I stopped by.
Over here at the homie's place.
If anything, my car is on the outside, so.
Obviously.
What's up? My name is Johnny Prip.
You don't get something last name,
My name is Johnny Fernando.
Your 20 seconds of fame is over.
What do we want to do? You gotta tell me.
So if you ever need me, text me.
So, let me slap my elbows on second. You slap my elbows on second.
No, that's too much.
Yeah.
Here.
Here we go.
You've already been in the freaking.
That's the
Oh, I missed the handshake.
Johnny sucks. Damn it.
Oh, shit. Oh, Johnny just fucked up. Craze can't even take it.
No.
He can't even take it.
Damn it. Let's do this shit. Come on, win.
Oh, shit.
Come on, baby. Whoa! One more.
Oh my god, failure. Oh, shit.
You cheated, bitch. You cheated. Look at it.
Emmanuel Phelps walks in. Shasha, where are we going? Watch. We're gonna go watch fireworks?
Yeah.
With who? Isaac, who are we gonna watch fireworks with? You're not gonna tell me? Okay, let's go.
That's my pants. Yeah. No. No?
Stop being so mean.
Huh? Why are you making? No.
There's kids everywhere right now. k.i.d's, right? There's k.i.d's everywhere. Here's Elijah over there. Isaac's laying, eating in the stroller. What's up, Jin?
Learn Chinese.
Hey, run like that again. Come here. Stay still.
This is when Isaac is bored. Nothing right now before the fireworks. And Elijah. Ready to smash on some food.
That's why we go get one of those huge McDonald's cups and bring it.
What's up?
What it do?
Taking my k.i.d's to go see the fireworks on July 5th. Isaac's knocked out.
Elijah,
Last year he was
are you excited?
Last year Isaac was just a little tyke. He was 3 months old.
Ooh, let go.
You see it, Shasha?
Titties.
What is that? Hold it up. Tell them what color that is. You gotta hold it up this way. What color is that?
Pink.
Yeah. What color is that? Green? Yeah, good job.
They hold it.
Daddy hold it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Noise.
The noise?
Yeah.
The noise is the fireworks.
Oh.
The noise is the fireworks.
Noise. That's why you rich.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Isaac is sleeping.
Yep.
I know, he's missing out, isn't he?
Sound?
Look at that one.
Yeah.
That one's pretty.
And this noise?
Yeah, it's coming from everywhere because it echoes.
Echoes?
Yeah, it echoes.
And this echoes?
Yeah, see? You see where is a delay? It's because it's echoing everywhere.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys are now on vlog. You will be tagged in the next video. Oh, sorry, I missed it. There. Joshua, look. Say hi.
That's it?
This time it's really going off. Fireworks.
Ooh. Ah.
What do you guys gonna say next? I wasn't gonna say all that though.
Ben just queefed.
Alright. Craig's gonna be pissed. I've been taping this for 8 minutes. Oh snap.
Oh snap. It's a wrap.
Oh, hell no.
That was a finale.
Ooh, they tricked you.
Tricked you. Tricked you.
You better respect what our Chinese people have brought over here to entertain these Caucasians.
Made in China.
That's it right there.
Dude, the finale, you hear it, constant sounds like gunshots.
It's like doo 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 doo.
What does it sound like?
Doo doo.
What does it sound like?
Sounds like I'm saying doo doo.
Oh my god, this shit doesn't even...
See it?
That means it's not working. It's also flash like that.
I mean, it's done.
Yeah. Should've just brought a strobe light.
Oh god. It's like, look. All gone.
That's it.
All gone. Yay! Come on, Sasha. Let's go. We're going bye-bye. What do you think, Isaac? What do you think of the fireworks this year? Because last time you saw them, you were 3 months old. March, April, May, June, July, actually 4 months old. Oh, okay. Yeah, you want to go home too? Vincent, what do you think of the fireworks this year, huh?
Scared as fuck.
Isaac, lay down. No, Daddy's gonna read you this book. Here, you're spelling your baba.